Hi, I'm Jill, and I am so happy that you're here. Today we're going to be talking about software that you need to be an affiliate marketer. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is when a customer clicks on a link, it's a special link that you provide them, and they go to a company's website to purchase a product. When they purchase that product, the company knows because of the link that they clicked that you are the person that referred them, and they send you a commission for the purchase that the customer made. If you're looking for a more detailed answer to that question, there's a video linked below called Questions About Affiliate Marketing. And go check that one out. That should answer any questions that you have. Getting back to the software that you need for affiliate marketing. This is going to be a very basic overview, but it should give you a good taste about what is actually going on in the back office of an affiliate marketer's back office. I will be making more detailed videos about each one of these pieces, but it's easier if you see it as a whole first and then go look at those individual pieces. If you like the information in this video, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so that you are notified when I drop a new video. So just a heads up that any of the links below to any of the products that I'm going to talk about in this video are affiliate links. If you click on those links and purchase any of these products, I will likely get a commission for that. So the first thing that you're going to need is a domain. This does sound scary. I know, I get it. But it's really not as scary as it sounds. But you do need a domain for a couple of reasons. The most important reason is that you need your own professional email. And the reason that you need your own professional email is for the deliverability of your emails. If you use an email like a Gmail or a Hotmail or a Yahoo Mail or something along those lines, those are generally flagged a lot easier as spam and don't go to the inbox. So if you have your own professional email, those tend to end up in the inbox more often than in the spam folder. The second reason is when you refer somebody to a product that you're promoting, you're going to be sending them to your personal website. So the first link that they're going to click is going to bring them to your site, and on that site is going to be a place for them to enter their email address and tell them a little bit about the next steps they're going to be taking. So my website is Wherever Joe Works because that's the name of my company. I bought my domain through Namecheap. There is a link below for Namecheap. You pay them on a yearly basis. When you pick your domain, it is best to get a domain with a .com versus any of the other .whatevers. If the domain that you want is not available, you can settle for a .net, but it's preferable to have a .com. So now that you have these two things out of the way, now we can really get started and looking at the software that you need for affiliate marketing. So the first thing that you're going to need is a sales funnel. There are many options out there. There are free options and paid options. There's good and bad to both. One of the free options is GetResponse. GetResponse is free until you've hit 500 contacts, or you need more than one funnel. There's also System.io, and that one is also free. And the reason why you're going to end up using more than one funnel, because if you represent more than one product, you need more than one funnel. One funnel only gets you one landing page. So if you're promoting two products, you need two landing pages, one for each. I personally do not use either of these. I use a product called ClickFunnels, which is not a free option. ClickFunnels, I believe, is the best one out there. That one is $97 a month. So that is actually the sales funnel that I'm going to talk about, and I'll show you what the inside of ClickFunnels looks like. So let's head on over to ClickFunnels and let's go check it out. So this is what ClickFunnels looks like when you first log in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my funnels. So these are my current funnels. So the most basic one, which is the one on the top, is the one that we're going to take a look at, and it's probably one that's going to be familiar to most of you. It is my bridge page. And a bridge page is just a two-page funnel that the first page collects an email and the second page sends them on their way. So let's hop right in and take a look. So you can see I have an opt-in page here, and this is my opt-in page. And when you click on here, you can actually see that I'm asking for the email. So I set up the email, ask for your first name and your email address. And so what this button does is when this button is clicked, it actually sends this email and name to my personal email list. The thank you page thanks the person for their email and sends them on their way. So in this particular one, I had this traffic split, so half the traffic goes to one page, half the traffic goes to another page. But the customer comes to this page and it has a video from me, and when they click this link, it actually sends them on to Legendary Marketer. So you can see that this funnel is just 2 steps. They have the opt-in page and then a thank you page, and then they're on their way to the affiliate link that I have set up for them to go to, which is the link that they clicked on to go see. So now that you have your sales funnel, the next piece of software that you need is an autoresponder. What that does is it automatically emails people for you on a schedule that you set. The reason you have an autoresponder is because 70 to 80% of people do not purchase the products the first time they see it. Emails are sent by the affiliate to remind the customers about the products that they were interested in. Of course, like everything else, there are options for autoresponders, and it really depends on what else you picked for a sales funnel. GetResponse does have an autoresponder built in, and so does System.io. Of course, I don't use either of those, so I use Aweber. And Aweber is free as long as you have less than 500 contacts and you only need one list. So, like ClickFunnels, let's go ahead and take a look at Aweber. So this is what Aweber looks like when you first log into it. And you can see that I'm just on my dashboard and I'm on my Legendary opt-in list. So the important piece that we want to see is actually under Messages, because that is where our autoresponder, the campaigns, are kept. And so the campaign that we're going to actually look at is the welcome campaign. And so what this is just how the email sequence goes out. So this is a welcome tag that I'm putting onto to the customer that's clicked on my link. And then it sends them an email. This is welcome. And then it waits for a day. And then it sends them another email. Then it waits for a day. Then it sends them another email. So this is just how it gets set up inside of your autoresponder. And you go ahead in here and actually write all these emails. In this case, some of these may have been like a swipe. So when you first start out and you're looking at products, one of the things that the products give you are called email swipes. And swipes are basically pre-written emails that the company has written and that they find successful. So this is where you would go and set that up. So you take their email swipes and then go and edit them for your account and put them in your autoresponder and set them up the way they recommended to set them up. So as far as this is concerned, Aweber is pretty basic. So Aweber also keeps your list of subscribers, so it keeps everybody that's actually opted in or has opted out in your subscriber list underneath each individual list. If you have more than one list going, each person would actually be listed under each list that they've opted into. So that is pretty much all you need for an affiliate marketing business. That's the bare minimum. There are a couple others that are nice to have, that kind of thing, but I'm not going to cover those in this video. I will be making specific videos about each individual part of these so you can actually see how one of them works and how to actually put a sales funnel together and how to actually create a campaign in your autoresponder for Aweber. So if that's something that you would like to see, don't forget to go ahead and just click on that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that when I do drop a new video that it will let you know. But if you did like this video and like the content, it would be great if you could like it. If you have any other questions, feel free to put a comment and I will get back to you. So again, my name is Jill and I thank you for joining me on this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again soon.